This is News 8 at 11.
A controversial immigration policy that was put in place under President Trump is about to start up again under President Biden. Good evening and thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Steve Price.
And I'm Kirsten Holmes. The Biden administration is moving ahead with the program despite objections to it. News 8's Regina Ahn spoke with a local immigration rights activist about what this could mean for asylum seekers.
Tens of thousands of asylum seekers are subject to this policy that was introduced by then President Donald Trump January of 2019.
It will force migrants to have to wait in Mexico in conditions that in the past we've seen have jeopardized their safety and well-being.
Starting tomorrow, the migrant protection protocols, or otherwise known as Remain in Mexico, will take effect. This policy requires migrants seeking asylum to wait outside the United States for their immigration court hearings. This is something Pedro Rios, an immigration activist and director of American Friends Service Committee, says he's worried about.
There have been thousands of cases recorded where people who have been under this program have suffered all sorts of mistreatment by Mexican law enforcement agencies, but also by people who are seeking to profit off of making and causing harm of migrants who are waiting to be processed in the U.S.
President Biden suspended the policy, calling it inhumane, but last August, a federal judge in Texas ordered it reinstated.
Our view of the program has not changed. We're working to implement under the court order.
The court ruling said the program could only start back up again if Mexico agreed to participate, but immigration rights activists say more could have been done to avoid resuming it.
We're seeing an increasing program, or a program that will be brought in under the Biden administration, despite the fact that his administration has been outspoken against it.
The rules will come with some changes. The government will have to provide COVID-19 vaccines to migrants waiting for their hearing. It will have to ensure shelters are safe and secure, make sure each case takes no longer than 6 months, and provide better access to legal counsel. Biden has also outlined exemptions similar to that of the Trump administration, including people with disabilities and the elderly.